With Russian troops lacking adequate training, they repeat many of the same mistakes over and over, this time leaving ammunition out in the open without any camouflage, just waiting for Ukraine's drone army to spot the pile, with Russian soldiers still nearby needing to take cover as they realize their mistake, letting one of Ukraine's drones to easily destroy the ammunition, destroying more of Russia's resources, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.